Hey everyone, Clara here. Today we're learning about the present perfect continuous tense. Now, I know the name sounds complicated, but honestly, it's not that bad. And by the end of this lesson, you'll be using it like a pro. So, what is the present perfect continuous? It's actually quite simple. We use it when we want to talk about something that started in the past, continued for some time, and is still happening now, or has just stopped. Here's the formula. Subject plus have, has, plus been, plus verb ing. That's it. Let me show you. I have been studying English for 3 years. She has been working all day. They have been waiting for 2 hours. See? Not so scary. The important thing is that this tense shows us how long something has been happening. It's all about the duration, the time. Now, here's the bit that confuses everyone. So pay attention because this is really important. What's the difference between present perfect and present perfect continuous? They sound similar, but they mean different things. Let me show you. Present perfect. I have read that book. This means I finished it. It's done. Present perfect continuous. I have been reading that book. This means I'm still reading it or I just finished, but the important thing is I spent time reading it. See the difference? One is about finishing. The other is about the time spent doing it. Let me give you another example. Present perfect. He has cleaned his room. His room is clean now. Finished. Done. Present perfect continuous. He has been cleaning his room. He's tired. He's been working on it for ages. Maybe it's still messy. One more to make it really clear. Present perfect. They have cooked dinner. Dinner is ready. We can eat now. Present perfect continuous. They have been cooking for 2 hours. They're tired. The kitchen's a mess. They've been working hard. So the simple rule is, present perfect equals look at the result. Is it finished? Present perfect continuous. Look at the time and effort. How long have they been doing it? Right. Now let me tell you a story that'll help you remember this forever. So yesterday, something absolutely bizarre happened. I got home from work, opened my front door, and nearly jumped out of my skin. There was a massive hole in my living room wall. Dust everywhere, tools scattered about, and standing in the middle of this chaos was my flatmate Tom, covered head to toe in white plaster dust, holding a sledgehammer, looking like he'd just survived an explosion. I shouted, "Tom, what on earth is going on?" He put down the sledgehammer, wiped the sweat from his forehead, and said, "I have been knocking down this wall since 7 a.m. I looked at my watch. It was 5 p.m., 10 hours of wall demolition. "Why?" I asked, still in shock. He grinned and said, "I've been wanting an open-plan living space for ages. I started this morning and I've been smashing, drilling, and clearing rubble all day. Look at the progress." But here's the thing. The wall wasn't completely gone yet. Half of it was still standing. There were bricks piled up in the corner. Dust covered every surface. And Tom? He was absolutely knackered, but still determined to finish. This is present perfect continuous, showing us the ongoing effort, the chaos, the sheer determination of someone who's been working for hours. Now, what if Tom had said something different? Imagine he'd said, "I have knocked down the wall." That's present perfect, completely different meaning. This would mean, the wall is gone, finished, job done. The result is a lovely open plan space, all tidy and complete. But what Tom actually said was, "I have been knocking down this wall since 7 a.m. This is about the process, the struggle, the marathon effort. It's not about the finished result. It's about the 10 exhausting hours he's been swinging that sledgehammer, getting covered in dust, and slowly making progress. And we could see all the evidence. The dust in his hair, the sweat on his face, the half-demolished wall, the pile of bricks, the scattered tools. Everything screamed, this man has been working like crazy all day. That's the power of the present perfect continuous. It shows the journey, not just the destination. All right, let's quickly recap. The formula: have has plus been plus verb ing. When do we use it? When something started in the past and is still happening now. When something just stopped, but we can still see the effects. When we want to talk about how long we've been doing something. The simple rule: present perfect equals focus on the result. Is it finished? Present perfect continuous equals focus on the time and effort. How long has it been happening? So next time you want to say you've been doing something for a while, maybe you've been learning English for months, or you've been waiting for ages, or you've been working really hard on something, use the present perfect continuous. I'm Clara, and I've been teaching you grammar today. See what I did there? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next lesson.